So I'm going to quickly go through how to edit a LinkedIn page for a business LinkedIn page. So here I am on the LinkedIn page for the business, and um, I'm just going to scroll down to edit page. So on the left-hand side in the menu, I'm going to go down to edit page, and then we can have a look at all the information for that page. We have the name, um, the LinkedIn company URL. So again, there's a little menu on the left-hand side, and there's a number of things that we can edit. We can add buttons. We can add something that's featured. Then in the About section, we can edit the details, a little description about the business, and underneath is a website URL, so we can change that. Or you can just click the organization doesn't have a website. So let's click that and see what happens. Let's click Save. All right. Thanks. And now let's go back and look at the LinkedIn page for the business as a member. We're going to go to the About section. We notice there is no website. So let's change that. Let's go back to View as Admin. We're going to edit the page. So we're going to go to left-hand side, scroll down until we see Edit Page. So we're on the LinkedIn business page. All right, and then on the left-hand side of this new window and menu, we're going to go to the About section. We're going to go to Details, and we're going to unclick this box saying now we do have a website. Oh, now we need to put an URL in there, so let's do that. Let's put this in there. All right, okay. So we've added that in. Let's click Save. See what happens. Okay, we've done that. We'll close this window. No thanks. And now let's view the LinkedIn page for the business as a member. Let's scroll to the About page, and sure enough, we have a website. And that's how we can edit our LinkedIn business page.